Hey, what's going on, everybody? Adam Shelton here with some digital asset cryptocurrency news to show you today. This morning, Florida Coast time, East Coast time is 9:43 in the morning, and I'm doing this video because I'm seeing the prices going up in some of the digital asset spaces. And look at this, XRP, Ripple's XRP, 54 cents today, and it's up 27.71%. And look at the trade pass in a minute, traded in the past minute. Look at this volume. Check the volume out. It is rocking and rolling today, and I expect it could be all this week rocking and rolling in XRP. And look at over here, look at the map. This is a really cool site. This is called fiatleaks.com, and it's really cool because you can see the volume, the transactions. You can also see, when it goes up as well, and you also can do more analysis information on here as well. Let me refresh this. Let me see. I'm gonna refresh this as well. Okay, still 27.71%. Now, XRP is not the only one that's actually increasing as well today. We also have VeChain. It's 16.30%. It's doing very, very well. I'm a big fan of VeChain as well. There's use cases, solving problems in terms of just basically just helping things out. I like the whole idea of using it for goods, using it for tracking goods, tracking different products. So I really, really like VeChain as well. I'm gonna do a little bit more information on VeChain and drop a video about a little bit more in depth what VeChain will do in the upcoming future. But here we go. We got VeChain. We also got Cardano 88. It's another one that I'm a big fan of. And you see here it's 14.50% up today. And so it's doing very, very well as well. But the big story right now of all the cryptocurrencies that's leading the way is XRP, and is at 55 cents right now, up 28 cents. Remember, it was just 27% just a few seconds ago. Now, one reason why I was doing this video, because I wanted to show you this right here. And I saw this article and it says Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple's XRP, Litecoin, Chainlink could be heading into their biggest week ever. And you see here, Bitcoin, brushed around $18,900, which I believe is going to hit 19,000 very soon, maybe at the end of this week, and more than likely at the end of this week. And then you see XRP's has climbed over 70% week alone, with Ethereum, Litecoin, and Chainlink all up between 22% and 36%. Now they say this. Now, as traders debate exactly how far this bull market has to run, as the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency community are gearing up for a pre-Thanksgiving surge and may get a boost from the U.S. Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank. Look at that. That's something to really keep an eye on, of the U.S. Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank, ECB. So that's something that's been in the works for a while, but I wonder if that's going to get more involved this week. It kind of makes sense. The way things are moving, and the fact that, it's Thanksgiving week, we're about to close the end of this year. And then that makes me think here, Thanksgiving week, and then what's going to happen in December? December could be a month to remember, a month to remember as well. So let's look at some more information here. It says nothing like a pre-Thanksgiving Bitcoin run. That's Catherine Coley, the chief executive of Binance US, a San Francisco-based Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange launched by Cayman Islands. I'm a big fan of Binance as far as an exchange. I did a video about how you can buy cryptocurrency and digital assets on Binance, so definitely check that video out. But she's saying nothing like a pre-Thanksgiving Bitcoin run. This year has been extremely unpredictable, but Bitcoin has held on its own value through most of the year, and the recent bullish momentum proved to many Bitcoiners what we already knew: a global digital asset. Look at that. Look at this. And the big thing about this, we need this global growth and adoption. That's what we're waiting for, and I really believe we'll have that in the near future. So it's really things are going very, very well. Just stay positive, stay holding, keep doing your research. I'm not a financial advisor, and I just wanted to do this, to look at this article here, because I've noticed there is some more information about this. Let me go back. I'm sorry for a minute. She said, look at this. Even as coronavirus pandemic prevents families from gathering to the same extent as they did pre-COVID-19, historical data suggests big holidays, Thanksgiving, and I believe Christmas too, you just send the Bitcoin price sharply higher. So look at that. Usually big holidays. So we got a holiday coming up this week, and it's a little different with COVID. Pre-COVID is a whole different mindset, a whole different way of how we're doing different things. Like some families is not even getting together on Thanksgiving. Some are doing, the whole social distancing, Zoom, or they're doing a different way of how they're doing Thanksgiving. And so you got to think about, oh man, we're doing things different. Well, things are a little different because when I go here and I check out, the volume on just XRP alone, I really believe it's going to trickle down to a lot of the assets, like Nano and VeChain and like ADA, like Ethereum. Ethereum is up there as well. I think it's going to trickle down because it seems like Bitcoin always leads the way when it comes to the volume and also becomes to the price as well. So let me go look at one more thing for a minute. There's something I wanted to show you. We knew about the giant PayPal would roll out Bitcoin and buying spending services to its near 350 million users. That's going to be big. That's going to be rolling out as well. So PayPal hooking up with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. That's going to be unbelievable. I really believe that maybe some more assets may be added in there, some more digital assets, maybe XRP in the near future. So that would make sense if XRP continue growing like the way it's doing right now. And having Bitcoin to really partner with PayPal, and some other ones could be coming in the pipeline as well. It just hasn't been actually announced yet, but there could be some other really big companies that could be rolling out for some information that's going to be partnered with some of these cryptocurrencies, and some of these big banks too that may be coming out and rolling out with their own information that they're partnered with Bitcoin or something or another different asset. And Bitcoin has been the best performing asset this year, not to mention the best performing asset of the last decade. Scott said this, Daniel Scott, the chief executive of Isles of Man-based Bitcoin. So yeah, so it's a lot to be excited about if you are a cryptocurrency fan or a holder or a person that's been really, just on the fence about it. I mean, I can't give you any advice on should you invest in it or not. I'll just say just, look at this article. It's on Forbes, and just do your research in terms of Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, Chainlink. These are some of the leading ones, and these are top 5 cryptocurrencies, and according to this here 2017 all-time high in helping others, top 5 cryptocurrencies. According to this article, Ethereum, Bitcoin, of course, XRP, Litecoin, and Chainlink record massive gains. So that's something to really think about. So when I look at, okay, I saw XRP, Litecoin, Chainlink, I go back here and let me go refresh this. So I'm like, okay, XRP, they're saying, hey, you know what? It's massive gains. I may need to take a look at it. And then, so let me look at Ethereum, because they said they brought up Ethereum. So Ethereum is right there. Ethereum's up 13%, 13.27%. So Ethereum is up as well. And look at the traded in the past minute. Because remember, the article says, XRP, we just saw that. Litecoin, Chainlink. So let me go back. So look at Ethereum. Ethereum's up 13% this morning. 13%. That's pretty good. That's really, really good. And they also brought up Chainlink. Let's go bring up Chainlink. I think it's Link. And let me see. Yep, that's up 4.62%. So it's at $15, trading at $15, and it's up 4%. Not bad at all. And let me go look at the last one that they said was Litecoin. Litecoin's up 8%, and that's trading at $89 now. $89.50. 52 cents. So look at that. And then the trade in past minute. So I mean, this article is up to something. If you're just doing, research and you're just wondering, okay, they're talking about these cryptocurrencies. Let me see what's going on here. Let me see what's up. Okay, they said Bitcoin price brushed 18,900 per Bitcoin this week. So let's go look at Bitcoin real fast. Let's see Bitcoin. Is 18,633 trading at 2%. So I'm going to really feel really good. I feel comfortable saying this. 19,000 will happen this week. It'll touch 19,000. No financial advice, but it will touch 19,000. I mean, look at the volume is going, and look where it's going. Look at all that USD. Look at all that USD Bitcoin going to the United States, and look at Europe. Oh my goodness, the euro. Look at Europe. It's just flying, and then look at South Korean. Look at that going pretty well. But look at but the one that I think is going even more mad. Let me go. It's going to be XRP. That's the one right there. Is really doing a lot of damage as well. So they're shooting out a lot of volume as well. And look how fast this is. Look how fast that is. Look at that. And then, USD, you can see that going to the United States. And so there you got it. So that's the information I wanted to show you today, this morning. I'll drop another video, and if anything changes, but continue doing your research. Happy Thanksgiving this week. Take care of yourself. Be safe. Also, below this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'm Adam Shelton, and I'll see you on the next video.